This is Pioneer's ND-DVR100 Universal Dash Camera. The ND-DVR100 is a universal, standalone dash camera that can be used in any vehicle, with or without a Pioneer receiver installed in the dash. The ND-DVR100 dash camera continuously records while you're driving. The camera records in full 1080p HD resolution through a 111-degree wide-angle lens. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay. Got a little flap here. We'll work around that. Okay. First thing we see here is the power supply. The included power supply has a standard cigarette lighter adapter at one end with a mini USB Type-B connection at the other end. The wire on the power supply is about 12 feet in length for very flexible installation. The power supply will operate with a 12-volt or 24-volt DC input, and the adapter supplies 5-volt DC power to the camera. And we have the micro SD card, the 8GB micro SD card. Here is the 8GB micro SD card with a standard SD card adapter included with the camera. The card will provide up to 1 hour of continuous loop recording. If you want more time for continuous loop recording, stored event recording, and still images, you can use an optional micro SD card of up to 32 gigabytes. Here we have some glass cleaner for mounting the camera. Here is the glass cleaning cloth. You'll want to be sure to clean the windshield before installation of the mounting bracket that's included with the product. And we have a handful of owner's manuals in a number of different languages there. And let's get the camera up out of here. Okay, the camera is packed in its own box. And we'll open that. And here is the camera. You can see that the camera is very small and has a unique design to make installation simple and keep the camera out of your field of view while you're driving. The mounting bracket is right here on top of the camera. It mounts to the windshield with glass tape, so be sure to thoroughly clean the windshield glass with the included glass cleaner before attaching the camera mount. As you can see, the camera is very small, only 2 3/8 by 2 5/8 by 1.5 inches. Here is the mini USB Type-B port for power. Now please note that the system includes a 5-volt DC power supply adapter. Here is the speaker used for video playback on the camera screen. Here is the power indicator, and this is the 2-inch LCD video screen. This is the microphone that can be used for recording. This is the power button, and these are the multi-function buttons used for setting up the system and changing recording parameters and playback. This is where you'll insert the 8GB micro SD card, and the system reset button is right here. The mounting bracket attaches up here, and the adjustable camera lens is here. The ND-DVR100 is a universal dash camera. Installation in any vehicle is critical for proper operation, so to compensate for different windshield glass angles, the camera lens can be adjusted by about 45 degrees. Once the camera has been mounted in a safe location, simply point the camera lens to the best angle for recording for your particular vehicle. And that is Pioneer's ND-DVR100 Universal Dash Camera and what's in the box.